It's a new year, and Bitcoin has greeted it beautifully, exploding from under $17,000 to more than $21,000 in under a week. But does that mean the bear market is over? Or could there still be more pain ahead? This video will put the latest Bitcoin rally into context and help you figure out how to approach the crypto markets moving forward as we reach a critical stage in the investment cycle. Let's get right into it. Why is Bitcoin up? There are two big reasons why Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole are off to a great 2023. The first is that inflation numbers are trending downwards, measuring 6.5% in December. The reason that financial markets began crashing in 2022 was that the inflation numbers were so high. They reached nearly unprecedented levels because the government was forced to print so much money during the pandemic. Now, the pandemic is largely over, and the higher interest rates set by the Federal Reserve are starting to get inflation back under control. Sophisticated investors see this and think the Federal Reserve could begin to reduce interest rates again in the near future. When interest rates go down, money becomes cheaper, and investment products like Bitcoin and stocks tend to go up. So one reason Bitcoin is doing well so far in 2023 is that the economic data paints a more promising picture than it has in quite some time. Another reason for this price increase is that crypto investors are starting to feel comfortable entering the markets again after the collapse of FTX. They, along with other over-leveraged companies from the last market cycle, have already gone belly up. This means that investors no longer have to worry as much about these players going broke in the future and being forced to sell their massive balance sheets to drive down asset prices. So just to quickly recap, Bitcoin's price is up because the economic data is good, and a lot of institutional risk that was present in the crypto markets previously is no longer an issue. Is the bear market over? Alright, so now that we know why Bitcoin's price is up, does that mean that there's no more bear market? Well, not exactly. There's currently a lot of hope in the markets. Investors are seeing shifting economic data and acknowledging the fact that we've been in a bear market for a prolonged period of time. These signs suggest that the bear market could be over soon, but don't guarantee it. We still need to see how the Federal Reserve talks about these shifting market conditions during its next summit. Inflation is still high, even though it's decreasing. This means that the changes the Federal Reserve made to cause the bear market are working, but may still need to get inflation back to around the 2 to 3% mark, which is its long-term average. Put simply, things may not get significantly worse anymore, but they're not guaranteed to get better right away either. We could see the market establish a range and fluctuate between its highs and lows for several more months before we enter into a new bull market. How should you approach the market? Even though the bear market may not technically be over yet, it's still a solid time to be investing in projects like Bitcoin that you believe in. Every major crypto token is down significantly from its all-time high. This means that even at these prices, which have already gone up considerably in the past month, there's still plenty of upside left. You may be able to buy back in a slightly lower price in the future, but there's no guarantee of that either. A smart strategy is to begin scaling in your investments now, while the market is getting ready to turn back into a bull, but may not quite have done so just yet. What do you think about Bitcoin's latest price movement? Is it a sign the bear market is over, or is there more pain to come? Comment your answer below to let us know. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.